Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an awesome counter effect in CapCut on your PC. First, open CapCut on your PC and import the video clips you want to use. Then add text to the timeline. Cut the text at 1 second mark and write your text in the text box. Move the playhead at the beginning of text and duplicate it. Now select the duplicate layer and navigate Glow Effect under Basic tab and set Intensity to 30 and Range to 60. Cut the duplicate layer from 15 frames and move the playhead at the beginning of main text layer. Select your main text and pull it down. Turn its opacity to 0 and add keyframe at this position. Now move the playhead 13 frames forward and add a keyframe here. Turn opacity to 100 and add 0 in position Y. Afterwards, move the playhead 2 frames forward and add another keyframe. Then move the playhead at the end of main text and pull your text up. Turn opacity to 0. The keyframe will automatically generate here. Now select the duplicate text layer and navigate to Animation Out tab. Apply Fade Out Animation and set its duration to 0.3 seconds. Copy-paste the main text and move the playhead 13 frames forward and drag the duplicate text layer at this point. Then move the playhead 2 frames forward and copy-paste the duplicate text. Change the number of bottom and upper text. Select all the layers and duplicate. Afterwards, change their numbers. Continue this process till your desired number. When it's done, then create a compound clip. Now select the clip and navigate Motion Blur under Video Basic tab. Apply Motion Blur and wait for the result. After this, apply a custom speed to your clip, 8x at the beginning and 10x at second, third and fourth point, and decrease at the end. Now import a background clip for your counter from the library. Resize it and you are done. Once you're happy with the effect, preview your video. If everything looks good, click Export to save your final video.